ISKCON Mayapur is building a 50-bed COVID care center with ICU facilities and all the professionals and medical staff and everything that's required to take care of not only these 70,000 people but also people from nearby areas and villages. They're also providing free meals to the families who cannot afford it and going through a financial crunch. Honestly, at this juncture, even a little help is critical. I am doing all I can, and I hope all of you all will come forward and help us and donate as much as you can. My father used to say, "Dene se aaj tak koi poor nahi hua hai." So I hope we can help in any way that we can. No help is less help, so do whatever little or more you can. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Namaskar, I hope you all are well and you'll spare a few minutes to listen to this. In the remote interiors of West Bengal, 135 kilometers away from Kolkata, a region silently suffers. Mayapur, the world headquarters for the International Society of Krishna Consciousness, or ISKCON as we all know it, is a home for 70,000 villagers and 7,000 devotees from over 80 countries. And there are lakhs of other people from the surrounding villages. Thousands of people, as we speak, are leaving their bodies, and thousands of others cannot get treatment because they can't even afford to get tested. Because of which they are continuing to be spreaders, causing the death of 1,000 others due to the lack of timely treatment. In the name of medical facility, there is a namesake hospital without any full-time resident doctors or medical staff, oxygen, the medicines, antibiotics, to say the least. With over 40% people below poverty line and with no jobs, it is extremely difficult for them to even manage 2 meals a day.